Riverside Road. Very good weather today. It's good for cycling day. Hi, this is Niigata Riverside area. Mainly Niigata area is mainly flat because this area is rice field, almost rice field. Of course, some mountain there, and another side. So the east side of Niigata has a mountain, and there is a many ski resort area, but west side lead to the Japan seaside is mainly flat rice field area. Very comfortable for cycling. Almost car free. Very comfortable, right? This area is a farmer's area, and usually Japan rural area have a parallel road for the main road. That's one. This is a car road, and this one is a farmer's road. Farmer's road means for the farmer use this road to ride on their tractor to process their field. So mainly main road, car come, but farmer's road. Usually few cars, right? That's one car road. This one farmer's road. Farmer's road is very safe and comfortable because there is few traffic light. And of course, the area is a farmer's living area, so the very traditional Japanese rural lifestyle we can see. I highly recommend for this kind of the rural area cycling. Very interesting, and the scenery is very good.